Hello and welcome everybody. Amazon stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start. So according to what we have here on this type of stock, let's go for what we want. So according to the price that we see here on the two circles here, the intersection is going to be very fine. So that goes to be referring for us backside for what we can see as result. So that's going to be the 0.1 Fibonacci level here, and I think this is going to be also giving us such different things. It can be done on stock. Okay, 0 and 1. Okay, so this is going to be 68 USD and 175. So this is going to be 1 week. Okay, just notice that carefully because that's going to be on Amazon stock on high values. We are investing on these values. So I think if we went for the first private treatment that we drew, it seems that this is going to be absolutely the zero potential level, and it's going to increase a little bit until it reaches this side. Hope you benefit from this video.